Hello everyone and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on the logic series, and in the previous session, we had learned how to resolve factorial using Java. In this session, we will learn how to resolve a palindrome using Java. So let us understand what is a palindrome. A palindrome is a word or a number or a phrase or a sequence that reads the same backward as forward. For example, here, race car, madam, level, all these are palindrome words. As you can see in the picture in the right side, palindrome, MOM is palindrome, RADAR, radar is palindrome, rotator is palindrome. Similarly, a number sequence 020, 220, 20 again, it is a palindrome. So all of these are palindrome words and phrases. So where this applies, there are several ways, there are several places where this palindrome can apply using for password validation or puzzle games, etc. Also, scientists use palindrome for DNA sequence check. In DNA, also the number sequence will be palindrome. So now let us understand how to resolve this palindrome program using Java. Let me create a Java class palindrome check. Now I will write a main method and then I will take a string. String str equals to madam. Now I need a boolean variable to know whether the string is palindrome or not. And as default, I will give blue or and I will save it. We need a few more things to understand the palindrome program. So before that, we will learn how to check the word is palindrome using Excel first. Now, I had taken the word as madam. So the string is madam. Now let us see how many characters are there in this word. The length. It is 5. So now, how many characters are there? 5. Let me split the characters of this word like this. As we learned earlier, the indexes in programming will generally start from 0. So the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, we need to understand the position along with the index. The position is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, what we need to understand? We need to understand the first character of the string is equal to the last character. Then the second character, let me take some other color, is equals to the last but one character. Similarly, if it is a race car, the word is race car, R A C E C A R. Let's understand this one. The first character should be equals to last but one last character. Then the second character should be equals to the last but one character. Then the third character should be equals to the previous character of the last but one character. Similarly, until the middle character appears, we need to do the character check. Now, let me go back to this word, MADAM. So here, the length is, the index of this character is 0. So, character at 0 should be equals to character at index 4. Character at position 1 should be equals to character at position 3. I mean index 3. So we need an integer variable to start the index from the left side as well as from the right side. So I will need two integers, left and right. The left should start with 0 and the right should start with 4, which is nothing but 4 is nothing but the length of the string minus 1. Now going back to the program, I will take left integer left equals to 0 and integer right equals to string dot length minus 1. As I need to iterate, I will take a while loop and I will give the condition as left less than right. And inside the loop, I will just check whether the character of the string dot character at left should be equals to character of the string at right. If it is same, then I will call the is palindrome equal to true. Otherwise, it is palindrome equals to false. Now, I will increment this left value and I will decrement this right value. Finally, I will print is palindrome is true or false. Let me run this program. As you can see, this word madam is palindrome, which is true. If I just do some change and then run it, so madam 01 string is not palindrome, so it is saying it is false. Let me try for race car. So race car, if you can read it, RAC from the back also RAC. So it is a palindrome word. If I run it, so it is giving palindrome is true. Now, let me try to debug this. I will add a breakpoint here and debug this. The string is race car. Is it palindrome? First, as we have defaulted it to 0, false. And the left we have started from 0. And the right we have started from string length of the string minus 1, which is 6. So the total length is 7. 7 minus 1, 6. So 0 less than 6 is true. So now we are checking if the left character string dot character at left is equal to string dot character at right. So if I can just evaluate this expression, the character is R. And let me check it for right also. It is also R. So now it should be true. If it is true, it should go inside the if condition. It went inside the if condition. Previously, the palindrome is we had set to false. Now it will become true. Now, if you can see, the palindrome is true. Now I have increment the left integer and it is become 1, and then right I have decremented, it has become 5. It will go 1 less than 5, it will go inside the while loop, and also it will check whether the left character is equals to the right character. It should be A. Let me evaluate this again. It is A, and also the right, it is also A. It should go inside the if condition. It is palindrome, so it is true. And now the left become 2, right become 4, and the conditions will succeed, and finally we will reach the print statement. And the print statement is palindrome is true. If I can just run it, as you can see, the is palindrome condition is true. So this way we will know if a given keyword or a phrase is palindrome or not. So this is the logical way of doing the program. There is a very much simpler way. Java provides a library, a class called string builder. In the string builder, they have given a method called reverse. Using that, we can know whether a string is palindrome or not. String reverse equals to new string builder of string dot reverse dot to string. Then I'll just give a if condition. If str dot equals, I will ignore the case, reverse, then it is palindrome, else not palindrome. Let me run this. As you can see, it is simply printing, it is palindrome. So this is the easiest way to understand the palindrome. So hope you understood the palindrome concept. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.